Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss and illustrate to you the sounds of A, E, N, M, T, and D. So let me start. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, as you can see, we have here the examples and I will demonstrate or illustrate to you how the sounds of A, E, N, M, T, and D evolved from longhand to shorthand. So let me start with letter A. So letter A is, let me check my setting. Okay, so longhand letter A is written as this. So as you can see, we'll repeat it. Okay, so there is a last connecting stroke here. And in Gregg shorthand, A is, we have the last connecting stroke, which is omitted. Therefore, the shorthand stroke is a large circle. Okay, so again, it evolved from a longhand cursive stroke. The last connecting stroke is omitted, and now the shorthand stroke is just a large circle. Okay, let's proceed. We have letter E. So for letter E, the two connecting strokes are omitted. Therefore, letter E is just a small circle, which is extremely opposite with letter A, which is a large circle. So I repeat, it is just a small letter or a small circle. Okay, moving forward, we have letter N. We write it in longhand as this one. So what happens? The body part of letter N is omitted. Now N is just a short forward straight line. A short forward straight line. Then letter M is written like that. Again, the body part, the main body part of letter M in longhand is omitted. And now M is a long forward straight line. Let me repeat it. It's a long forward straight line, meaning to say it's longer than letter N. Okay, let me continue. The stroke for letter T, it is written like that in longhand. Okay, so the bottom part is omitted. And now in shorthand, letter T is a straight slanting line. Straight slanting line written upward. So meaning to say upward, we start here at the bottom line, going up. So, okay, let me repeat. It's a straight upward straight line. Slanting straight line. Straight upward slanting straight line. Upward, meaning to say going up. Then we have letter D. Okay, so letter D, okay, the other parts of the letter in longhand are omitted. Now, letter D is much longer than letter T. Okay? So, it is still the same straight, slanting line and written upward. Okay? So, I start here at the bottom. Okay? I repeat. So, the difference, it is much longer than letter T. Letter T is just a short, slanting straight line, while letter D is a long, slanting straight line. So you see the difference? Again, let me recap. We have letter A, a large circle, letter E, a small circle, N, a short forward straight line, M, long forward straight line, T is a short slanting straight line, which is written upward, and D is a long slanting straight line written upward. Okay, so let me give you examples and I will illustrate to you the stroke or the outline for the word M. Me. So me is written in shorthand like this. Okay? M-E. May. Okay? Have M-A. Min. Okay, I repeat for min. M-E-M. Okay? Let me repeat to make it perfect. Okay? Then main. Ni is only NE because we do not include silent letters. Again, let me remind you, shorthand is written by sound and not by spelling. So what we hear is what we write. Letter K and the last letter E, those are silent letters. They are not pronounced. So we do not include them in writing in shorthand. So we only have NE for the word ni. Okay, I repeat, we have N, E. Name, we have N, A, M. Then aim, I repeat. Okay, we have the word they. We do not include the silent letter Y. Okay, let me repeat it. We have the word date, wherein letter E is silent. Okay. Okay. We have the word did. Let me write it here. Did is D-E-D. So make it sure that letter D is written with the same length. The same length here and the same here. Okay. Made, we have M-A-D. Mate, we have M-A-T. You see the difference? So T is shorter than letter D. We have meet. We have T. I repeat. We have it. We start with E and T only because letter A is silent. We have team. We have tame. 8. I repeat it. And the last example is A. Mouse. Okay. Now you understand how the outlines in shorthand are written. And again, let me reiterate to you that shorthand is written by sound and not by spelling. So the concept is you write what you hear. So I hope you understood the illustrations given to you. Thank you.